Hi, my name is Mrs. Savion. This is my first year at Conley Elementary, but it's my 6th year of teaching. I'm your student science as well as social studies teacher. In my class, interactive notebooks are crucial to your child's learning. The very first week of school, we decorate our notebooks so students can take ownership of them. In these notebooks, we collect notes, we do choice boards, we make foldables, and we even have exit tickets so I can see that all students are understanding the content that we teach about. Additionally, we use our notebooks to record all of our observations in our experiments and science investigations. This year, your student has learned over 40 to 50 science and social studies words already. We have talked about physical properties such as magnetism, density, physical state, conductors and insulators. We've also talked about weather and climate and maps, as well as our water cycle. This year has been jam-packed with investigations where students can explore and learn through their investigations and experiments. Not only does your student have the opportunity to learn through investigations and experiments, they also have the opportunity to show me their knowledge through choice boards as well as some projects. Students have the opportunity to show me what they know through raps and songs, poems, letters, posters, as well as writing reflection pieces to show me what they know. This gives me the opportunity to make sure students are all learning at their full potential and they can show me through all of these creative ways. I mean, look at all this student work. Isn't it astounding? As we continue to the second 9 weeks, we'll start learning about space science. We compare the sun, the earth, and the moon. We talk about the day and night cycle as well as seasons, rotation versus reflection, as well as the moon phases and the order of the planets. If your student happens to have to miss school, good news is they have Schoology. Schoology is an online resource where students can still receive work virtually so that they can complete this at home or at school. Well, that's all I have for you right now. But if you have any questions about your child's science or social studies work, please feel free to reach out to me, Mrs. Savion. My email is kjsavion@aldinisd.org. I also use the Remind 101 app, which is free in your app store for Android and Apple phones. Once you download the app, it'll ask you for a class code. You may put in @Miss Savion, and that'll take you to my class. From there, you can contact me anytime. Have a great day.